Okay. So, good morning, students. Once again, now we are going to start with our syllabus. So, before I start with the contents, let me first show you the again chapter one. What are the contents, and we will stick with that contents. And apart from that, whatever we are taking, right, right from keyword search to Google Analytics and so on and so forth, right, whatever is there, we will treat as a that part as a real time point of view, right, practical point of view. And the second aspect is that we have to stick with our syllabus. So first thing, Shweta, can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, uh, you can see the syllabus as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just see, uh, the first prerequisites is there, like HTML5 and CSS3. So I think we have already covered that HTML5 and CSS3 in detail in our first internet programming subject. And in addition to that, we have got this search engine basics. We have already started with the search engine basics, and I also talked about something like ranking algorithms. We also talk about the different websites with different search engines, and these are the country specific search engines, right? So these are also there. And as far as this particular first chapter is concerned, many points that we have discussed, but let us discuss it one by one thoroughly. So in this particular case, that the first point, if you look at that algorithm based ranking systems, wherein we are going to see determining the searcher's intent and delivering relevant and fresh content. That is very very important. And this is how we have already seen from some practical point of view that how Google works, and what the Google gives you in terms of what results, that we have seen it. But let's see it in detail. After that, we are going to see the analyzing the ranking factors. And then next one is the advanced search techniques and the vertical search techniques and country specific search engines. So let us discuss this with our first half session of the today's lecture, and after that we are going to go for the SEO plans, right? So let us complete it within first 1 hour. So for this, I have already shared with the some of the slides with you. So let's see that first one. Where is that first one? Yes. So this is the first one. I think, can you able to see this, Shweta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or let me take this. Take it on Word. No, it will not paste like this. Uh, no, it goes back. So if you can look at the contents, my suggestion is that I am giving you now few minutes, right, so that you people can go through the document, right? एक 2 मिनट में आपको देता हूँ, ये डॉक्यूमेंट पे go through करो and then we will discuss on it. Is it okay, Shweta? Okay, it is okay. So let's first read this, okay? I think you can able to read this, right? Now this is clear. Okay. So what it is given us, so let me discuss that. See, whatever commercial search engines, right, which employ the science of information retrieval. So that is something called as IR, right? So what is IR? It is nothing but what it is what the science of looking for specific data across the document and particular document, right? So as we also know that whatever keyword that you put in the search engine, it is depends upon that the search engine is going to search that particular contents from that particular document, or the whole document. The whole document in the sense what it will go on searching all the pages, right? And for that purpose we had already discussed something called as web crawling, right? So what happened? There are some IR scientists, information retrieval scientists. They realize that the importance of relevance and importance in the search engine functionality, right? And to measure that relevance and importance, there are three techniques which are adapted, right? So number one technique is document analysis inclusive of semantic connectivity, right? The second one is link analysis, and the third one is problem words, disambiguity, ambiguation, and diversity. Right. So these are the three main techniques which are adopted by the IR. So let me tell you that the question may ask to you, determine the searcher's intent and delivering the relevant and fresh content. So it may happen that we are going to write down the short notes, or it may happen that we are going to discuss the three techniques or discuss different kinds of techniques which are able to determine the intent and the searcher's intent and delivering the relevant and fresh content. And the meaning is what is the searcher want? What searcher want depends upon its intent, and what we are going to deliver, that is the relevant and the fresh content to him, right? So that is what the two aspects are there, and for to achieve these two aspects we are having three techniques, right? So let us discuss one. First one is document analysis and semantic connectivity, right? I am also giving you this for writing the assignment type questions, right? So for assignment this may help you. These are, you treat these as a notes for you people, right? For the term test also, and for the university exam perspective also, right? So what happened in document analysis, the search engines attempt to find the search items in the prominent areas of the document. And what it search, it first search the title, the metadata, the body of the text, and the heading tags. See, these 4 to 5 things are very very important for any kind of document analysis, right? So this is very very important. Already we know what is HTML5, we did the programming, we also know what is metadata, what is title, what the body text contains, and what are the different heading tags. So in addition to that, the search engine try to examine and measure the document quality, right? Now it depends upon the relevant content. Okay, and however the search engine cannot rely, right, on the document analysis done. Therefore, right, we are focusing on the semantic connectivity in a document too. What is the meaning of semantic connectivity? So by semantic connectivity, we are referring to the association between the phrases of words in a document, right? So generally whenever you are thinking or you are discussing about the semantic connectivity, it is nothing but the association between the phrases of words, right? And what it going to help for the SEO practitioners and IR scientists, right? उनको क्या help होगा उससे? तो first of all, what, measure the keyword phrases to be targeted, right? Then assess the keyword phrases to be included on the web page. The third one, measure the association of text on other high ranking sites or pages. And the fourth one, discover the pages providing relevant themed links, right? So this is very very important. This is a first technique, right, for the searcher's intent and delivering relevant and fresh content. The first technique is what? The document analysis and semantic connectivity. Document analysis, what it is going to do? It is going to check first what the title, metadata, body of the text, and heading tags. The second type of things is something called as semantic connectivity. What it is going to do? It is going to help the association. It is going to discover, or it is going to assess the keyword and the keyword phrases, right, between the different words, the phrases of words in the same document or in the relevant themes, right? So this is the first technique. What is the second technique? Second technique is something called as link analysis, right? Now in link analysis, search engines attempt to evaluate the entities that are linking to a site or page. Search engines have a greater hold on the affiliations between the different through the historical link data and the site's registration records and other sources. So it is not only just restricted to counting of links within the web pages or pages, but the greater emphasis remaining on the counting of links from highly authoritative sites than the lesser authoritative sites. The degree of authority of a web page is determined by the combined analysis of linking patterns and different analysis or semantic analysis. So for example, assume there are 5 sites, right, on hairstyling with various links from numerous pages across the web. So let's find it out that we are having so many link analysis. Site 1 has 224, right, the related links. The site 2 has 190. The site 3 has 210. Let's go further. I think next is, this is what is there. I will just copy and paste it so that it will be clear for you. Site 4 contains 1110 and site 5 contains 120. Let's assume. So now suppose site 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4 and 5 have links to each other, whereas none of the site links to site 3. Let's assume, and this is what is a simple example that these people have given. However, it can be possibility, right, that the site 3 has numerous links from the pages with topical relevance but have rare links to them, right? Therefore your site 3 has no authority as it has no linkage with the right links, right? So what happens generally, what they are telling, so there are 5 sites. Out of that, let's say 1, 2, 4, 5, these have a links to each other, whereas the site 3 has the links but with the different pages, like that. Okay. So and another factor that is instrumental in determining the value of link is its implementation and the placement. Okay, for instance, the text provided on the link is also called as the anchor text, correct? It can also be a strong signal to the search engines. Now clicking on the anchor text, the user will be taken to the web page, right? So this is the second thing. And from my side, I'm only reading the content so that if anybody is having a doubt, we can discuss, right? And we can apart from this, if there are a lot of things are there which actually we have already discussed, but now these are the points, these points are specific to our syllabus and we are going to write it, right? If the question is asked, describe this, so you cannot describe this, hypothetically, right? There are some specific terms and terminologies. So if it is asked what are the techniques for delivering the contents or structure intents or like that, we are going to write down these 3 techniques, right? Inside that, instead of this thing, You may write on your own. You may give your own examples or different kinds of website you are already visited. Their example also you can able to give it, right? But over here we will stick with this, okay, so that you will not find any problem at the time of exam. Okay, that's why I'm taking it. So next third technique is what the problem words. Disambiguation and diversity is again a very important technique. So the greatest challenge faced by the search engine is to search for words with greater ambiguities. Right now you can see the, for example, if the user types a query for boxers, it is difficult to write ascertain the correct meaning of the word. That is, if the user is referring to the dog breed, prize fighter, or the garments. Similarly, if the user types car in the search box, right, it is difficult to ascertain if the user wants to read reviews, ascertain about car shows, buy a car, or know about the latest car technologies. Obviously, there are so many ambiguities are there, and it's a great challenge for any kind of search engine. What you want to show, and if you look at these particular three techniques, if you see that your search engine, whatever our innovation point of view, that we are innovating our own search engine, let's assume. So there are something like we have to consider these three particular techniques, how you are going to manage this, and this is a challenge for all of us, right? So like this, the example is given. You just type the car and then see what are the things that you are getting it, right? So it's like an example of the diverse result shown by the generic term car. So there are a lot of things that whatever word you are writing, and that's why we started with the keyword search engines, right? A keyword or keywords, how we are generating the keywords, and how these keywords are going to matter a lot for us because of the same three reasons, right? So we are already ahead of this, but still we should know this, that the particular terms and terminologies, right? So this is example of that. You may give the your example, any example you can take it. It is up to you. And the next one we will go, that is something called as a analyzing of ranking factors. You can see this, right? The for the first one, right, this point is very clear, right? So if you look at this, that according to syllabus to syllabus we are going like this, and we are sticking with that contents only, you can find it very easily that you can complete this, right? There are only four modules, four five six modules are there, right? So out of that, two modules are there for your syllabus. First, chapter 1, right? Chapter 1 and chapter 2, right? So these two modules are there for your term test 1, right? Next, I am going for the 3 also, like 1 2 3 for first and another 3 for second, right? But let us see that how much we can actually complete this particular thing, so that we can able to go through it. Actually what happens, what we have already started is the SEO, right? So that SEO we have already started with this, right? But again we will stick with this book. I will give you like these notes for you, right? So that it is very much possible for you people to remember the things, okay? And these things are so simple one according to the syllabus and the contents what we are now seeing. It's very simple one, but according to the practical point of view we are going to find out a very difficult problem, right? It's very difficult for, because the search engine is a very hot topic, right, throughout the world, right? Because what the people want is the data, and how the search engine is delivering the data, whether it is accurate, whatever the users need, is the user need is going to fulfill or no. These kinds of things are very important, and that's why we are going to talk about this. The next point is something called as the users advanced search techniques. Now over here, right, sorry, there is one more thing is called as analyzing ranking factors, and this point is over here. So let's see this point as well, right? So I think it is not clear, but I will read this so that you will come to know, right? So analyzing ranking factors. So what are the different important factors are there? So let me uh, read this. You look at this particular point. Uh, Look at this point. Yeah. Okay. So see that there are very various ranking factors that need to be analyzed for a ranked web pages. Uh, let okay. So we are here like analyzing the ranking factors. So what are the various different kinds of analyzing the ranking factors, or what are the different ranking factors? Uh, so I think there is one the software firm, right, which is written over here also, ACO Moz, ACO Moz. Now it is only Moz, like it's a leading American software firm. It carried out a survey to the uncertain the opinion of the world's leading search marketers about the functioning of the search engine algorithms, right? And that survey has pointed out these 9 crucial ranking factors. So these are the 9 crucial ranking factors, right? So यही factors आपको आंसर में लिखने का है। श्वेता समझ में आ गया? हेलो श्वेता, यू आर देयर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके ओके, मुझे लगा मैं खुद ही बोल रहा हूँ, कोई नहीं सुन रहा है ऐसा।
नहीं
At least please please listen that, okay?
Yeah.
So there are 9 crucial factors are there, and we will see it in detail one by one. The first one is keyword use in the title tag. Okay, this is number one. I will read this, even though the image is not clear. I will read one by one, so don't worry about it, and we will discuss it. Right, the keyword use in the title tag, then the anchor text of the inbound link, then global link authority of the site, okay, then age of the site, how much old is the website, like that, when it is being established, like that. So that is the age of the site. Link popularity within the site's internal link structure, right? So topical relevance of the inbound links, link popularity of the sites in topical community, keyword use in the body text, and the global link popularity of the sites that link to the site. See, generally क्या होता है मालूम है, it's very difficult to remember all these points because we always go through the practical point of view, right? But still, for exam point of view, we should know this, and once you remember these points, it is very easy to explain it, right? While reading it only, you will come to know, what you are going to explain. Like there is a very important factor. First is called as what? Keyword use in the title tag, right? So keywords are used in the title tag are what? They are basically provide the things, the very important things in the page, right? And thus the title tag serves as a relevant aspect of the search engines to rank the pages, right? So to rank the pages, these keywords are very important, which are there in the title tag, okay? So first it is there, and therefore the keywords must be used, the important and the relevant keyword must be used in the title tag. Generally title tag तो आपको मालूम है कि किधर हम लोग how where we can able to where we can able to display it on the web page. It's a title of the web page, right? So once you open a tab, you can able to see at the tab, you can see the title, right? So depending upon title itself is very important, the people will look at your web page content, right? Because once your title is good, the keywords in the title which are very important, which are relevant to the user's intent, then you can able to see that people are going to go inside that web page. Otherwise, while reading the title itself, they will find it out that the keywords or the contents which are within the web page, it is not relevant to him or to them. Then it also depends upon the popularity of the web page, right? Because while just reading the title, the people will go, like, whenever I'm always telling you, right, how is your project is going to matter a lot. आप अभी आपका प्रोसेस क्या चालू है, सबमिटिंग द प्रोजेक्ट टाइटल एंड योर व्हाट आर द नेम्स एंड सो फोर्थ, राइट? तो टाइटल itself, it will carry a very you can say the first impression, right? Because your title itself, our title आपका ऐसा रहेगा होटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. So even though in that particular case, a lot of analytics is there, a lot of different things are there, recommendation systems है, then what are new techniques are there to managing the hotels, to booking the or to reserve the any room in the hotel or like that, booking the rooms like that. So कुछ भी रहने दो, कितना भी डिटेल में रहने दो, लेकिन टाइटल क्या है अपना कि ऑनलाइन होटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. तो ये टाइटल देख के पता चलता है अरे क्या है, डेटाबेस रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट है, जाने दे. So nobody is going to see inside that, राइट? सो ये इसका आप ऐसा रिलेशन करो. तो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज व्हाट कीवर्ड यूज इन द टाइटल टैग. आपका कीवर्ड टाइटल ही ऐसा एकदम एकदम क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, ऐसा इसमें अगर धासु रहेगा, धासु का मतलब क्या है, द पीपल आर गोइंग टू गो इट इन डिटेल. टाइटल से मतलब अरे क्या कुछ तो एनालिसिस ऐसा कुछ तो कर रहे हैं, और इट द टाइटल इटसेल्फ कंटेंट्स अ वेरी न्यू थिंग, कुछ अलग ही है, डिस्ट्रैक्शन और एनी काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट थिंग, एनालाइजिंग, ऐसे वर्ड्स ही इतने ऐसे है, तो कीवर्ड्स ही ऐसे भरे हुए टाइटल में, तो ऐसा लगता है कि भाई उसके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ तो अलग अलग रहेगा. तो टाइटल ही आपका एकदम सिंपल रहेगा, लाइक पार्किंग सिस्टम. अगर ऐसा आपने टाइटल सबमिट किया और वेर एवर अभी का मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग दैट, यू आर सबमिटिंग योर प्रोजेक्ट लाइक दैट, आपका टाइटल ही ऐसा रहेगा, ऑनलाइन पार्किंग और पार्किंग सिस्टम्स, राइट, ऑनलाइन डेटा एनालिसिस, ये भी ऐसा रहेगा. तो उसमें क्या पता चलता है, अरे यार देयर इज नो कंटेंट्स एट ऑल इनसाइड योर प्रोजेक्ट, कुछ रहेंगे ही नहीं. और आपने कितना भी भर भर के अंदर लिखा रहेगा कि हम लोग एमएल यूज़ करने, डीएल यूज़ करने वाले, हियर यूज़ करने, वो यूज़ करने वाले, तो देयर इज नथिंग इनसाइड दैट. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर टाइटल. ऑलवेज सी ऑलवेज सी। और श्वेता और वो लोग ने तो एक्चुअली दे हैव प्रेजेंटेड द पेपर राइट इन द कॉन्फ्रेंस, दे आल्सो नो इट, what is the significance of title. So over here also the same thing is there. Over here also the title matters, right? टाइटल देख के अभी हम लोग ने इवन सिंपल इफ यू लुक एट द डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंटेंट्स, वेयर द टाइटल is very important. So the first one is this. The second one is again is very important, the anchor text of the inbound link. What happen, the search engines use anchor text including the link as a strong signals, right? Webmasters and publishers insert the anchor text in the links to their websites, right? So for example, our visit, right, visit.edu.in, our college websites, right? So as Adnan and these people are already involved in this website, you people are coming to know. Let's say I want to make an inbound link with the review link of the anybody other's website. To review लेते हैं ना, जैसे गूगल रिव्यू और एनी अदर रिव्यू, शिक्षा.com. So shiksha.com is also educational website. They are also taking the reviews of the public. मीन्स आम जनता का उसके अंदर रिव्यू रहता है. एंड रिव्यू किसका रहता है? डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आवर कॉलेज. You will come to know how that review link is very very important. And if I put that link in our website, then it is going to matter a lot for us, right? Or fortunately, or you can say unfortunately, there are so many types of plus and minus reviews of our the our this thing, or any education institute is having like this plus and minus reviews of different, even though alumni we are saying we are here is our alumni, ये हम लोग का alumni, ये ऐसा है वैसा है, still the people are giving the actual review on their review accounts. जो शिक्षा.com में है, गूगल रिव्यूज है, सो मेनी रिव्यूज आर देयर. So let's find it out also, so that it will become interesting for you people also. Otherwise ये थ्योरी का भी देख के आपको बोर लगेगा. So I think you can able to see, sir. Shweta, can you able to see this page? Hello Shweta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इसमें अदनान आपने इधर रिव्यू का किधर लिंक डाला था, कुछ मालूम है आपको? Is it there on our home page? अदनान को वो लोग को मालूम है क्या नहीं है?
नहीं सर, शायद जयेश वो लोग ने किया
था ना शायद से, मालूम है, क्योंकि है ना ये इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स था. बिकॉज वी हैव एडेड समवेयर द, इधर तो नहीं है, ये यूजफुल लिंक्स है यूनिवर्सिटी का, एआईसीटी और डीटीई का. दीज आर आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. ये भी ऐसे लिंक है, एंकर टेक्स्ट ऑफ द इनबाउंड लिंक है ना, जो हम लोग अभी सीख रहे हैं ना, ये इसका भी है, बिकॉज यूनिवर्सिटी है ना, डायरेक्ट mu.ac.in, यानी ये वाला लिंक है वो. Like this is a link AICT का, direct AICTindia.org. So this is the main website. So these are also the links. But ये तो ये तो standard you can say. जिधर dynamic और continuous data ऐसा नहीं रहता है. Where we can have चिराग और सुजीत, मालूम है क्या? श्वेता तू भी बोल सकता है और कोई भी बोल सकता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अदनान हम लोग इधर अपना गूगल रिव्यू किधर दे सकते हैं? दिस इज हाउ वी कैन गो.
सर आइडिया नहीं है, ट्राई नहीं किया था ये वाला. ऐसा ही अपने कॉलेज के वेबसाइट का भी हम लोग ने शायद बाद में ज्वाइन हुए थे ना, तो उसका आइडिया नहीं था. मोस्टली वही सब अपडेट करते थे जो हम लोग को.
नहीं अभी सपोज अभी मुझे अपना विजिट का रिव्यूज देखने का है सपोज, तो ये देखो ये कैसा है, कॉलेज दुनिया
वेबसाइट पे भी मिल जाता है ऐसे तो.
अरे ऐसा नहीं, वो कैसा है, वो अलग अलग है. हम लोग है ना जो मेन है ना, जैसे देखो ये शिक्षा.com है, क्योंकि ये ना colleges.stupid.com, ये वाले जो वेबसाइट है ना, दिस वेबसाइट्स आर ठीक है, लेकिन हम लोग का मेन जो रहता है ना, जिससे शिक्षा.com तो मेरे को मालूम था, ये शिक्षा.com है ना, इट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर। देखो जरा इसमें आप आपके यहाँ है क्या, अपना चालू है ना आपका
क्या सर?
इंटरनेट चालू है ना, बाजू में एक टैब ओपन करके देखो ना जरा, किधर रिव्यू मिल रहा है
हाँ
देखो ना जरा।
हाँ।
हेलो श्वेता, हेलो श्वेता, आर यू
हाँ
देयर?
सर। यस सर।
हाँ श्वेता, देखा क्या ये ऐसा रिव्यूज वगैरह?
नहीं सर, नहीं सर, नेट स्लो चल रहा है, इसीलिए म्यूट अनम्यूट में भी टाइम लग रहा है।
दीज आर रिव्यूज। तो ये देखो रिव्यूज है ना, देर आर सो मेनी रिव्यूज आर लाइक दिस, रिव्यूज आर देयर एंड डिफरेंट रिव्यूज आर आल्सो देयर। गूगल रिव्यूज भी आते हैं। अदनान, किधर लिंक मिला क्या तुझे? यू कैन पुट इट इन चैट बॉक्स,
नहीं
चैट
सर,
बॉक्स।
नहीं, वो दूसरे सब वेबसाइट का ही लिंक आ रहा है।
हाँ क्या गूगल का रिव्यूज का मिलता है किधर तो है देख, लास्ट टाइम मैंने देखा था, आई हैव सीन दैट। जस्ट सी दिस, sign in with the Google account. Let's see this. बाप रे, ये क्या करना है, ये नहीं करना है। Let's do this. अरे ये करना पड़ता है। अम, इसमें भी है ना, गूगल में सर्च किया ना तो गूगल में भी रिव्यूज रहते हैं किधर तो। तुम लोग भी थोड़ा सर्च करो, बिकॉज एक टाइम पे मैंने सब देखा था, वेयर है ना गूगल रिव्यूज आर आल्सो देयर। किसी को मिला ना तो इमीडिएटली लिंक डालो और अनम्यूट करके बोलो कि सर मिला एंड इट इज देयर। विसेट गूगल रिव्यूज। क्योंकि अपना विसेट का कैसा नाम है मालूम है? देयर आर अदर विसेट आल्सो, लाइक दिस इज अ विसेट ना, ये देखो, वेल्लार कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी। तो अभी इसमें क्या होता है मालूम है, अलग अलग लोग है ना अलग अलग रिव्यू में ये डालते हैं। ये देखो, एक विवेकानंद कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, वो भी विसेट ही है, लेकिन उसका विसेट डॉट अलग था, अपना विसेट डॉट ई डॉट इन। सो ऑलरेडी वी आर रजिस्टर्ड, सो कोई इसके अंदर क्लेम नहीं कर सकता है। इसका ही मिल रहा है, तो कॉलेज दुनिया एंड शिक्षा, कॉलेज गोल। इधर खाली जिससे डाला सपोज उसमें। Last time I found over here something like, if you click over here na, you can able to see the reviews of that. So that's why I'm checking whether I'm getting that or not. तो collegedunia.com करके है। It's very nice na, the people are giving a good this thing reviews with respect to our college. श्वेता अच्छा है ना, अपने कॉलेज का रिव्यू अच्छा है बहुत इतना।
हाँ
हेलो,
सर, यस सर, अच्छा है कॉलेज।
ये देखिए सौरभ चौबे तुम लोग का सीनियर 2019 का पास आउट है आईटी का। द कॉलेज वाज गुड, आई डोंट हैव एनी बिग कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स अबाउट इट, बट आई वांट द सिस्टम टू बी चेंज। दे आर नॉट फोकस्ड ऑन द स्टूडेंट्स क्रिएटिविटी, दे जस्ट वांट असाइनमेंट टू बी कंप्लीटेड। हाँ श्वेता,
यस सर,
सी ना दिस कॉम्प्लीमेंट है ना ये।
the college was good. I don't have any big complaints about it, but I want the system to be changed. They aren't focused on the students' creativity. They just want the assignment to be completed. They force us to do labor work and more than some intelligent things. Nice. हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में जाना चाहिए था, गलत जगह पे आ गया।
ये वाला बंदा ना, फिर भी यही है ऐसे। ये कौन लिख रहा है, BAT was my course but I didn't provide the current industry knowledge. The syllabus was old and wasn't suitable for the current industry demand. Yes, there are a lot of people who get a job at the campus placement, but they have to refine their knowledge. Yeah, there are some companies that come to my college. First IT company was in Infosys, but there is no mass recruit of teachers. This is the best part of the college. There are so many events to be celebrated. At our semester, there are so many technical events happen in the college. For each department, there is an event, and at even same there is a झील, which is of 3D. ये साल में झील का क्या होगा श्वेता?
Zeal.
हाँ, ये देखना, there is a झील for which is of 3 days.
सर ये सब जिज्ञासा को ज्यादा पसंद है, मतलब मुझे झील और आह्वान से कोई मतलब नहीं होता है इधर।
अच्छा अच्छा। ओके ओके। देयर इज एल्यूमिनियम मीट, वेरी गुड। अच्छा, हर एक के ऊपर तुम लोग को रिव्यू लिखना पड़ता है ऐसा?
हमको तो लिखने नहीं बोला है अभी तक, तो ये
अभी
लास्ट
तक
में
नहीं रहे, लेकिन आपको तो बाद में लिखना पड़ेगा ना।
हाँ बाद में सोचेंगे लिखने के टाइम पे। सर कुछ ऐसा आया कि कॉलेज कब से खुलेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना? ले लेना
नहीं,
एकदम
अभी
से।
फिलहाल तो कैसा है कि मुंबई और ये छोड़ के बाकी जगह पे ओपनिंग हो रहा है ऐसा सुना था।
अच्छा,
सेकेंड नॉट नोइंग कि क्या होने वाला है।
कॉलेज में कोई स्टूडेंट्स आए सर अपनी क्लास के?
क्या बोलते हैं?
हमारी क्लास के कुछ
कॉल-
स्टूडेंट्स गए क्या?
हाँ, कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स, हाँ आपके इसमें आ गए ना, वो सब फैकल्टी से मिल रहे थे।
अच्छा,
एंड दे वर लाइक
डिप्लोमा के
आस्किंग।
थे ना?
क्या बोलते हैं?
डिप्लोमा के स्टूडेंट्स थे ना?
वन सेकंड वन सेकंड, ये ओपन क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? वन सेकंड। My computer gets hang. 1 second.